Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So, you might remember a few weeks ago I had books 1 through 3 of Linda Ravenscroft's Fairy and Fantasy art, and I had said that I was going to go back and buy the rest. And if you thought I was joking, well, you were wrong. So, I bought books 4 through 7. And then I also purchased Naughty Fairies. Now look, this is Naughty Fairies 1. We're gonna get more. So yeah, I did order them. They're all autographed by Linda Ravenscroft, which is awesome. Again, all on 300 GSM paper. I mean, you can't beat this stuff, but I was gonna do some flip throughs of these so you guys could check them out, each one, and see what you thought. And yeah, we'll go from there. So Naughty Fairies is one of her later ones, or newer ones, I should say. So I'll put that to the side. Now, I believe I accidentally skipped just one book, so I think I'm missing one, but here is book 4. So let's take a look. Again, this paper is just, oh my gosh, it's awesome. And seriously, these were not that expensive to buy from her website. Like, it's really impressive. I love the spiral binding because it's just so much easier. Oh, I really like that one. That's adorable. Only thing is, you're like, oh, dragon, Draco. Everything's labeled too. I like that one as well. And yes, you can look up her original artwork and try to mimic it, but I don't like to really do that with these. I want to do my own thing, but if you're kind of stuck, I like that one. This would be a good place to start. That would be good for Mother's Day. Oh, that's pretty. I like that one. I mean, her faces are always so interesting. Very interesting style. That'd be a good one for fall. Oh, I like this. This one would be really fun. Kind of reminds me, like, you could just, some of these you'll be more neat, but I mean, these just look like fun with watercolor. I have seen people use markers on them too. So there you go. Okay, so that is book 4. There's not a ton of pages in here. I mean, these are thick, but that's because this woman does not skimp on paper. Okay, so book 5 of the Fantasy Art series. Oh, I like that one too. I swear each one just gets better and better. I like that. That's pretty too. But it always tells you at the bottom, original ink and watercolor painting, so you can go look them up and see how she did it if you want to mimic them. But yeah, I mean, these just kind of scream like, use watercolor, be messy. But I have seen people use their Copics and whatnot. I think I'll probably be doing a lot more watercolor in these. That's cool too. I'm always like, am I missing anything? Well, that's nifty. I like that one. Oh, that's pretty too. Oceana or Oceana? I don't know. It's spelled kind of weird. Bad Fairies is what this is called. Naughty Fairies? The resting place. Yeah, I think I ended up accidentally missing one. So I'll order it when Naughty Fairies 2 comes out, because she's already pretty much shown. I like that one. She's already pretty much told us there will be more because it says Naughty Fairies 1. Oh, that one is so pretty. Some of these I'm like, oh, my watercolor skills need to upgrade before I dive in. Yeah, her prices are amazing. Look, you can even kind of get an idea on the back. Oh, look at that Queen of Hearts one. That would be so fun. Oh, so fun. Okay. Now we are on to book 6. This one, I love the cover. Love it. I mean, this woman is talented. Is her artwork quirky and weird? Yes, but that's what makes it fun. This is called Bad Hair Day. If I had snails in my hair, I would think it was a pretty bad day too, but mixed media painting. Those are cute. Some of these might be better with watercolor pencils, but she does tell you, like, she uses ink and watercolor. Sometimes she'll say mixed media. This was a ball pen on paper. So, like, you can always go look up the originals, and then you already kind of know the medium used. This is an ink and watercolor one as well. This is the cover. That's pretty. Ooh, look at that one. That's very gorgeous. The Healing Fairy. Oh, that's so cute. Winter Spirit. Now, if you have more translucent watercolors, this heavy grayscale is going to come through, but that's okay. If anything, it'll just make shading easier. And that's the end of that. By the way, she does FSC with all of her stuff, so that is really impressive. Not a lot of artists do that. So here is book 7. Like I said, each one just gets better and better. This would be really fun. Doing metallics. I love this one. So this is an acrylic painting. You can even tell by the way it is, like it was a canvas that was scanned in, but it's gorgeous. That one's really pretty. Similar to the other one. That's on the cover, I think. Yep. Oh, Scout's whining. I've seen this one done a few times, actually. Doesn't mean I won't do it. I just have seen it done a few times. This one is so creepy. The Jabberwocky. Oh, that one's cute too. See, just all of these are so pretty. Pretty and quirky, and the paper is amazing. I like that one. That one's really nice too. This one's really wicked. I'd like to do this for like a Halloween one. Lots of purple and black. It's very pretty too. Oh, that's gorgeous. That one's so ethereal. Okay. So that is the end of the fairy and fantasy art. So they only go up to 7. I don't know if she's going to release more. She might. But so far, that is the collection. Now, she's starting another collection, Naughty Fairies. Because like I said, this is Naughty Fairies 1. Which means there will be a 2. How long? Who knows? Oh, look, she's drinking absinthe. They really are naughty fairies, aren't they? Digitalis. I mean, this is just fun. Forbidden Love. That one's on the cover. So pretty. And I like that one. Oh, look at those claw-like nails. Oof. Mine get longer than this, and I'm just like, ah. The I'm Bored Fairy. It says, even fairies get fed up. Nothing to do would be a fine thing indeed. Mixed media painting on paper. Night Watch. Oh, that one is lovely. That background. So this was mixed media on board with acrylic and ink. Doesn't mean you have to use acrylic on these though, by the way. The Rose Thorn Fairy. Oh, that's cool too. Sisters of the Moon. A Storm Brewing. The Sweet Tooth Fairy. I don't know if that's naughty. I feel that's nice. This would actually be, you could do this totally for Christmas. I mean, with a candy cane or Valentine's Day, The Critic. I like that one. That's pretty humorous. And that is it. So yeah, guys, those are, you can actually always look on the back. You can get ideas of how she has painted these. I mean, but that is my latest Linda Ravenscroft haul. Like I said, I think I accidentally skipped one on her site. I have to go look. I'll leave a link in the description below to her site. Very reasonably priced books considering they're spiral bound with 300 GSM paper. So keep that in mind. You are getting good paper, and her shipping isn't bad, and it's pretty quick. It took me a while to show these, but I've actually had these hanging out for a little while on my desk. So I was really impressed at how quickly they shipped them out. And then of course each one is signed by the artist, so that's always nice because it's like a little collector's thing. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have any of these, or if you'd like to see some color alongs or in any of these. And remember, I did do already books 1 through 3 because I had purchased those to test and was like instantly in love and went and bought the rest. So thank you guys for watching my craziness, and yeah, don't judge me. But until next time, take care. Bye now.